Hello guys, welcome back to Good Shower Tips, and in this video we're going to talk about how to fix calls can't hear me while you are on calls on after iOS 17 update and how you can fix this error. So this particular steps in these videos can be done. So these one by steps can be done when you're having this trouble. And the first one is all about you have to turn on airplane mode and you have to turn it off after a few minutes. So just go over here, we have to turn on the airplane mode. Now wait for at least 2 minutes and afterwards you have to turn this off. Then we just need to try and that will be working fine. Next one is all about you have to put if it is already connected with any Bluetooth devices. For example, just tap over here in the settings and go to the Bluetooth. So right now, as you can see, these are already very rarely previously paired devices on my iPhone, and as you can see, none of these are actually paired right now. So even sometimes is when you might be paired with a Bluetooth device automatically, and afterwards what happens is whenever you're trying to do these kind of things, you'll not be able to hear anything because it's already connected to the Bluetooth device. So it is quite important that you have to cross-check you're not paired with any Bluetooth devices, and if it's so, you have to also keep in mind you can turn off the Bluetooth devices as well. Next one is all about nothing but we have to do a forced restart on your iPhone. So just press on the volume up followed by volume down. You have to press and hold the power button unless and until you see the Apple logo, and that will be working fine. Next one, apart from this, is also you can try out with doing a network reset on your iPhone. So just tap over here in the settings, keep scrolling down and navigate to general, keeps scrolling down here and we have to navigate to transfer or reset iPhone, tap on reset. Go for reset old settings, and after done with the reset old settings, we can try and that will be working fine as well. Last and the least step is all about we have to do is we just need to update the OS, which is you need to update the OS and it should be on the latest version of OS. So just go over here in the software update. Make sure you're not the latest version of software update because the issues can be fixed with a lot of bugs can be fixed with updating. So just update to the latest version as well. And also you can try, after trying with this, the issue might be with the particular paired devices. So if that is the case, you have to do a troubleshoot guide on both the headphones as well as on the AirPod which is having the trouble. And these possible can be done, steps can be done when you're having this issue. And I hope this video is helpful, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. See you soon in the next video. Peace out. Bye bye.